I must admit that our balcony has become a constant place of visit to carry out my birdwatching sessions of late. To be honest, there are days when I wait for long to just catch a glimpse of a bird. But today, I think I got lucky enough because I was able to catch a glimpse of a sunbird that was hovering around a cobweb. After the sunbird left, I happened to see a group of munias who were welcoming of each other. I couldn't help but come up with my own poem on love based on what they kept doing for the next few minutes. Sometimes love comes knocking at our doorsteps, but we leave it unattended, for we choose solitude. Sometimes love flies past us and may settle by our side unexpectedly. For love is a cute little gesture that gets wrapped off in us from our loved ones. Sometimes love keeps us on the chase, for love loves to be playful. Sometimes love involves a feeling of jealousy, which can make us judge our own worth, for love needs time to mature. Sometimes love tames us to keep sharing every bit of goodness that is left in us, and it insists that we continue to be that way every waking hour, for love is a habit. Sometimes love hurts, for love cannot pretend. Sometimes love tries its best to fill in the emptiness, for love is omnipresent. Sometimes love stops unannounced and leaves when unattended, for love needs constant assurance. Love sneaks in like a gentle breeze, for love can never be kept on hold. Sometimes love makes us earn for more, for love can never be enough. Sometimes love becomes overwhelming, for love is scared of losing. Sometimes love is spontaneous, for love is a basic instinct of every living being. Sometimes love is determined to stay by your side, for love can be needy. Sometimes love greets you and leaves you immediately, for love can be moody. Sometimes love needs its own space, for love demands its me time. Sometimes love doesn't care about any social boundaries, for love is inclusive. Sometimes love moves on, for love knows its worth. Sometimes love is determined to reach us no matter what, for love can only be untiring and selfless. Sometimes love tries to play hide and seek with us, for love wants us to be on a constant chase. Sometimes love comes into our lives like a miracle, for love is designed that way. Sometimes love lives in between those moments of silence that we share with our loved ones, for love is a comforting feeling. Sometimes love makes us feel loneliness, for love gives us a chance to dive deep and dwell within ourselves. Sometimes love teaches us to be accepting of everything as it is, for love lies in understanding.